When did you call him? When did you call him? Wamuhamagaye ryari? I called him a day ago. I called him a day ago. Namuhamagaye ejo hashize. What happened a day ago? What happened a day ago? Niki cyabaye ejo hashize? I lost my keys a day ago. I lost my keys a day ago. Natakaje imfunguzo zanjye ejo hashize. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga interuro zibaza ndetse n'interuro zisubiza zo muri past simple wakifashisha uganira n'umuntu mu buzima bwa buri munsi. Niba ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'icyongereza cyangwa se igifaransa, twandikire kuri WhatsApp number ubona muri screen yawe. A week ago. A week ago. Icyumweru gihise. When did you start the job? When did you start the job? Watangiye akazi ryari? I started the job a week ago. I started the job a week ago. Natangiye akazi icyumweru gihise. Where did you go a week ago? Where did you go a week ago? Wagiye he icyumweru gihise? I went to Kigali a week ago. I went to Kigali a week ago. Nagiye i Kigali icyumweru gihise cyangwa se gishize. A month ago. A month ago. Ukwezi gushize. When did she buy that phone? When did she buy that phone? Yaguze iyo telefoni ryari? She bought that phone a month ago. She bought that phone a month ago. Yaguze iyo telefoni ukwezi gushize. When did they move here? When did they move here? Bimukiye hano ryari? They moved here a month ago. They moved here a month ago. Bimukiye hano ukwezi gushize. A year ago. A year ago. Umwaka ushize. When did you learn English? When did you learn English? Wize icyongereza ryari? I started learning English a year ago. I started learning English a year ago. Natangiye kwiga icyongereza umwaka ushize. When did he leave the country? When did he leave the country? Yavuye mu gihugu ryari? He left the country a year ago. He left the country a year ago. Yavuye mu gihugu umwaka ushize. A few hours ago. A few hours ago. Amasaha make ashize. When did you finish the work? When did you finish the work? Warangije akazi ryari? I finished the work a few hours ago. I finished the work a few hours ago. Narangije akazi mu masaha make ashize cyangwa se ahise. What happened a few hours ago? What happened a few hours ago? Niki cyabaye mu masaha make ashize. The rain stopped a few hours ago. The rain stopped a few hours ago. Imvura yahagaze mu masaha make ashize. Nibwo yarekeye aho kugwa. A couple of days ago. A couple of days ago. Nk'iminsi ibiri ishize. When did you meet her? When did you meet her? Wahuye nawe ryari? I met her a couple of days ago. When did you meet her? When did you meet her? Wahuye nawe ryari? I met her a couple of days ago. I met her a couple of days ago. Nahuye nawe nko mu minsi ibiri ihise cyangwa se ishize. When did he send the message? When did he send the message? Yohereje ubutumwa ryari? He sent the message a couple of days ago. He sent the message a couple of days ago. Yohereje ubutumwa nk'iminsi ibiri ihise cyangwa se ishize. A long time ago. A long time ago. Kera cyane. When did you live there? When did you live there? Wabayeyo ryari cyangwa se wahabaga ryari? I lived there a long time ago. I lived there a long time ago. Nahabaye kera cyane cyangwa se nari ntuyeyo kera cyane. When did they build this house? When did they build this house? Bubatse iyi nzu ryari? When did they build this house? Bubatse iyi nzu ryari? They built this house a long time ago. They built this house a long time ago. Bubatse iyi nzu kera cyane. A little while ago. A little while ago. Akanya gato gashize cyangwa se ugasoma a little while ago. A little while ago. When did she arrive? When did she arrive? Yahageze ryari? She arrived a little while ago. She arrived a little while ago. Yahageze mu kanya gato gashize. She arrived a little while ago. Yahageze mu kanya gato gashize. When did you see him? When did you see him? Wamubonye ryari? I saw him a little while ago. I saw him a little while ago. Namubonye mu kanya gato gashize. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.